Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, west central Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sauk Village, or over Steger, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Chicago Heights, Schererville, Lansing, Highland, Munster, Park Forest, Homewood, Cedar Lake, Steger, Griffith, Dyer, St. John, Hazel Crest, Sauk Village, Flossmere, Linwood, Glenwood, and Crete. Including the following interstate: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 2 and 6. This includes Indiana Motor Speedway and Prairie State College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no